In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely transfer your cryptocurrency from Binance.com to Binance US. This guide is perfect for those looking to bridge their digital assets between these two platforms, and I'm here to make the process as smooth and seamless as possible. So, let's dive right in. To start off, open up your Binance US account and make sure you're logged in. Once you've accessed your account, direct your attention to the Wallet section. Here, you'll want to head over to Deposit or Deposit Crypto. This section is where you'll specify which cryptocurrency you're planning to transfer. It's crucial to choose the correct currency here, as selecting the wrong one could lead to errors in your transaction. Once you have correctly chosen your desired cryptocurrency, you'll see a deposit address generated for you. If the currency you're transferring requires a memo or tag, make absolute sure to copy that down too, alongside the address. This address essentially acts like the mailing address for your digital coins. With your deposit address securely copied, the next phase of our transfer process is to log in to your Binance.com account. Once logged in, navigate to your Wallet section again, but this time, we're focusing on Withdraw, or sometimes labeled as Send Crypto. Now, you'll need to paste the deposit address you obtained from your Binance US account into the destination address field. Double-check to ensure that it's pasted correctly to avoid any mistakes that might lead to a potential loss of funds. Next, it's crucial to select the same network that Binance US supports for the token you are transferring. This is where a bit of attention to detail pays off. You'll see network options like Ethereum, ERC20, BEP2, or others, depending on the token. For a successful transaction, both platforms must recognize and support the chosen network for the specific cryptocurrency. After confirming your network selection, determine the amount you wish to send. If you're feeling a bit cautious, you can opt to send a small test amount first. This is a practical way to ensure everything is functioning correctly without risking all of your funds. As you proceed, you'll need to confirm your transaction. Prepare for any security steps mandated by the platform, such as two-factor authentication or email confirmations. These steps are essential to safeguard your account and funds. Once your transaction is sent, you'll need to exercise a bit of patience. The blockchain requires confirmations before the transaction is fully completed. During this period, you can periodically check the Deposits and Withdrawals or Transaction History section on Binance US to verify the arrival of your cryptocurrency. And there you have it. Your crypto should now safely be on its new platform, ready for whatever your next step may be.